Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be drop testing the Nokia 105. We'll just start with a simple drop. That was not simple. The battery stayed in. Yeah, it survived. I forgot to mention it's raining, so the results might be a little bit more severe. Okay, let's try maybe we can kick it down this hill. 3, 2, 1. Didn't go as far as the iPhone 3GS did, but this time the battery did pop out, which is decent. I can't do this with one hand. Okay, let's see if I can try with one hand. Yes, I can do it with one hand. Okay, did survive that. Well, got to mention also that if the battery pops out, it has to restart. It's showing Nokia there, and the sound is there as well. Brick time. Let's drop this brick on the Nokia 105. 3, 2, 1. Turned off. Nope, it didn't. It's fine. Okay, let's do one last test. I'm just gonna chuck it as high as I can down the hill. 3, 2, 1. That was also loud, but not as loud as the iPhone 3GS. Hit those cans last time. By the way, I'm filming this in a alleyway with lots of cats which live here, so there's actually a lot of cat poop here, so I don't want my Nokia to land in that. Luckily it didn't. Is it all good? It has some scratches there. Yeah, it works. How can I destroy it? I have an idea. Let's do a water test. That's the part of, that's actually the iPhone 3GS. Ready? 3, 2, 1. We'll just leave it there in the cold for around 5 minutes. 5 minutes later. Turns on. Wow. Oops, no. What happened? I think it's dead. It's from the water. It turned on like that, but as soon as we reach the home screen, you can still hear the song it does, but it's really faint. And yeah, it just turned off. I think we've destroyed it. But it's strange that still shows the lock screen though, and not the home screen. But to make absolute sure, I'm just gonna jump on it. 3, 2, 1. If it turns on, oh wow. That's actually really impressive for a small thing like this. You see some cracks there. It's still the home screen now. Wow. Well, I think it's safe to say that this Nokia 105 has officially survived.